Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. It has been reported of mounting pressure on the governor of Rivers State, Fubara, to defect to the All Progressive Congress, following the ongoing crisis he is facing in Rivers State as a result of the lack of rapprochement between himself and his former godfather, Pro-Wike, the former governor of the state and the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Some people are putting pressure on Fubara to defect to the All Progressive Congress so that he can also have federal cover like Pro-Wike is enjoying. But now those making this call is making it based on Fubara's abandonment by the leadership of the People's Democratic Party at the state and national level. If you're a follower of this channel, you will know that I have done several videos to show that PDP has abandoned Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, and are even aiding and abetting those antagonizing him, the lawmakers that defected to APC and former Governor Pro-Wike. Now, the pressure on Fubara was heightened recently following the judgment of the appeal court in Abuja, which many believe gave some degree of reprieve to the Martins Amehule-led House of Assembly that defected from PDP to APC. A House of Assembly in which the Rivers State High Court declared null and void following the fact that these people have defected and they are bound by Section 109 1G of the 1999 Constitution, which stipulates that when you defect from the party that sponsored you to power to another party, you automatically lose your seat. Now, the appeal court judgment from Abuja was widely celebrated by the Pro-Wike-backed lawmakers, and they interpreted it as a victory for themselves and a loss for Fubara and his supporters. Now, that is their own interpretation, but another interpretation by the G60 lawmakers, federal lawmakers, led by Ikenga Okochinya, is insisting that the judgment from the appeal court in Abuja did not in any way say that these people did not defect and that they have not lost their seat. That what the appeal court in Abuja did was only to say that the Rivers State High Court has no powers to determine the membership or otherwise of a state house of assembly, that is an exclusive preserve of a federal high court. But on the substance of the matter about their defection, that was not what was an issue, that was not the substance of the case. But that judgment again has brought to the fore about the troubles that Fubara has been facing since he became governor, especially after he had his fallout with his estranged godfather, Pro-Wike. Now, this matter would not have been an issue, according to those who are pushing for Fubara to move to APC, if PDP has played its role as an opposition party and defend its prized asset, a sitting governor of a state, but the PDP has made itself utterly useless as an opposition party by abandoning its prized asset, a sitting governor, for an appointee and serving minister with their major rival, the All Progressive Congress government of APC. So the PDP, from their actions, also they prefer a serving minister that can be sacked at any time, at the whims and that serves at the whims and caprices of President Bola Tinubu. They preferred him to their own sitting governor. So they are playing to the gallery when it comes to Fubara, and are even supplying evidence to show that those that defected from their party to APC, which the whole world saw, PDP is claiming at the national level that these people are still the members of their political party. That's how bad, how terrible PDP is as a political party in Nigeria today. Now, this is one of the reasons why some people are pushing for Fubara to move to APC. Now, he has not gotten the support he needs in APC, in PDP, because of Nyesom Wike. There's no secret about that. This is because Nyesom Wike is controlling the PDP in Rivers State. He's also controlling PDP at the national level. His control of PDP is so strong that even the presidential candidate of the PDP in the last election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, has never found it even worthy to visit Fubara to encourage him on his fight with Nyesom Wike. He's pretending. Now there's a problem with PDP. Atiku is pretending. When everything is settled now, he will appear. He wants to be presidential candidate. But he has failed to show leadership. He has failed to come to Fubara. Actually, speak out as an opposition leader. That the governor of your state is being masculated like this, and you can't even say anything if it's governor of a state in your party. So these are some of the things that people saw, and they say, look, this man just leave PDP, it's a useless party, move to the All Progressive Congress so that you go there and show support and sing on your mandate. We stand and see what plays out. Now, but moving to APC, is it as easy as they are making it? Those pushing it to move to APC. Because already, President Bola Tinubu seemed to hear no evil or see no evil as far as the Minister of the FCT is concerned. Now, this is largely because Tinubu feels that he owes a lot to Wike for winning Rivers State in the 2023 presidential election. Don't forget that Tinubu was announced by INEC as the winner of Rivers State, despite the fact that independent verification by the BBC and Premium Times shows clearly that it was Peter Obi that won Rivers State. And Peter Obi also presented the evidence at the Election Petition Tribunal at the Supreme Court to show that he was the one that won Rivers State. But whatever happens, the INEC announced Tinubu as the winner. So Tinubu felt he owes a lot to Nyesom Wike. Don't forget, that Wike did everything possible to make Rivers State uncomfortable, even for Atiku Abubakar, the PDP presidential candidate, to come to Rivers State to come and campaign. Atiku cancelled his presidential campaign in Rivers State because of Wike's all kinds of executive orders that made it difficult for the PDP faction that supported Atiku Abubakar in Rivers State to even invite the man to come and campaign in Rivers State. So all these things that Wike did, including the fact that the APC, the main APC in Rivers State, led by the former Minister of Transportation and the former Governor of Rivers State, Rotimi Chibika Amechi, did not campaign for Tinubu because Amechi was livid that the system was rigged against him. Because don't forget that Amechi came second in the APC presidential primaries, and he was believed to had hoped that he would emerge the candidate, but somehow Tinubu used the APC system against him and maneuvered his way to the ticket of the party. So there's no love lost between Tinubu and Amechi. So Tinubu is also showing love to Wike to spite. Tinubu is also showing love to Wike to spite Amechi. And you can see that right now the APC that is recognized by the national body in Rivers State is the one that is loyal to Wike. Wike is the one responsible for Tony Okocha being the caretaker committee chairman of APC in Rivers State. The committee, the chairman that welcomed the defected PDP lawmakers when they defected. So this Wike is also having a grip in APC, both at the state level and also at the national level. Because from what is playing out, as I told you, Wike has not only captured the state leadership of PDP and national leadership of PDP, he has also captured the state APC and captured the national APC leadership to the level that the Ganduje, the national chairman of APC, is dancing to his tune, because Ganduje ought to have known that the tenure of the state executive of Rivers State, in which Chibika Amechi belonged to, have not expired. But despite the fact that these people were elected following the due process at a congress of the party, Ganduje dissolved the state executive and created caretaker committee in which he put in the hand of Wike's stooge. It therefore means that Wike is having a control in APC at the national and state level. He's also having a control in PDP at the state and the national level. So, if Fubara defect, can he be sure of getting a good reception in APC? Will his problems and troubles be over? Because moving to APC could also be tantamount to moving from frying pan to fire, because his godfather has already had a grip in that party. and he is not hiding it. Even before the 2027 presidential election will get to it, he's already telling you that whoever PDP will bring out is immaterial to him. He's already doing anti-party activity beforehand to add to the one he did before the election. So what do you think is the future of Fubara? Should he dig in, stay in APC, PDP, and fight it out in the courts? Or should he move to APC, where his boss has also had a firm grip? What kind of recession or reception can he get in APC if he moved there? What is your suggestion? I want you to tell me what you think. The way forward for Fubara. Should he dig in while staying in PDP that has abandoned him at both state and federal level? Or should he move to APC, where his former boss is also having a firm grip of at both state and national level? What can he do? How could Fubara survive the antics of Pro-Wike in showing that he is the godfather of reverse politics, that head or tail, he must be the winner? What do you suggest? Give us your comment. Let us see what you have to say about this. Perhaps it could also form a subject of our next discussion in this channel. Whatever you think Fubara should do now. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you, and please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.